The washout is not the problem. The washout is the result. Where is the water coming from and where did it used to go?
We're here today in Dimbulah on JB Citrus to look at methods for controlling soil erosion, and we're going to have some practical activities. We've just done a session on theory, so learning the principles, and now we're actually going to get an opportunity to hop into a tractor and actually physically do something to make some changes.
Today was just to touch on the principles and the concepts of controlling soil loss on roads and fence lines and access tracks. Reinstating the natural flow director before the fence line was built, before that access road or the pipeline.
Our attendees today are going to get an opportunity to actually see principles put into practice, and in doing that it will give them some confidence to then go home and consider what they can do in their environment. It's been great to see participants having a look through the dumpy level and just building skills and realising that there are things that they can do themselves. This area here at Dimbulah, the Chilba, is very dependent on irrigation. And so if we're not controlling our runoff, then we're losing water, we're wasting water, and we're losing soil. Soil is the fundamental base of all of our farming. It doesn't matter what you are farming, it's what gives us our grass to graze our cattle on, it's what gives us the nutrients to grow our fruits and our vegetables. And so any agricultural industry comes down to the soil. By controlling erosion, we are keeping our water, our soil and our nutrients in the place that they're most valuable.
All we have to do is put it back where it flowed originally. Address the problem and the result will quite often heal itself up.